Hi, welcome to Cooking with Outlaw Barbecue, where we teach you the tips and tricks we've learned as restaurant owners and competition barbecue cooks. Today, we're going to show you how to make barbecue smoked buffalo chicken wings, a perfect item for your Super Bowl party. All right, so what we have here is we have wings that we cooked already on our smoker. We did them yesterday. We're going to go ahead and take 12 wings that we smoked in our Kamado Joe. We're going to put them in our air fryer. And we're gonna go ahead and set that on air fry. All right, while our wings are in the air fryer, we're gonna go ahead and make a quick buffalo wing sauce. Really simple. First, we're gonna take 2 tablespoons of butter, and we're gonna let that reduce. While our butter's melting, we're gonna add half a cup of Crisco hot sauce. Followed by 1 teaspoon of our Outlaw barbecue dry rub. All right, so now our wings have been in the air fryer for exactly 12 minutes. They've come out beautiful, crispy and brown. We're gonna go ahead, transfer them over into a bowl. I'm using tongs because with the air fryer, it's gonna collect the grease from the wings and put them in the bottom, so I don't want to pour that back in and make our sauce greasy. We're going to take the sauce that we made, we're going to come all over our 12 wings. We're going to give them a toss in our buffalo wing sauce. And then ahead, and we're going to go ahead and plate them. All right, there you go. Smoked barbecue buffalo chicken wings finished in the air fryer. Enjoy your Super Bowl.